Problem number 2. Find sin 15 degree. Find sin 15 degree. Shall I include one more thing here? And since you know all the formula, tan 15 degree, let us have both the things. Find sin 15 degree and tan 15 degree. Sin 15 degree, actually it is either 60 minus 45 or 45 minus 31 and the same, because they are the standard angles. Let me write 60 minus 45. Immediately sin x minus y formula. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y equal to sin 60 cos 45 minus cos 60 sin 45 over. Write x equal to 60, y equal to 45. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 45 again 1 by root 2. Therefore, sin 15 degree is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Or LCM is the same, numerator write as it is, over. Using the formula and standard angles, you can find the value. Tan 15, we have the formula, no doubt. Tan 60 minus 45. Tan x minus tan y. X minus y equal to divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. See the formula carefully. So tan 15 equal to 60 minus 45. Tan 60, x is 60. Minus tan 45, y is 45. 1 plus tan 60 into tan 45. Using compound angle formula, you can find a trigonometry ratio of any angle. But x and y should be standard angle, that's all. Equal to tan 60 root 3. Tan 45 1. 1 plus root 3 1. I can write this one as root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3, so that you can remember the value like that. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Tan 15 degrees this. Sin formula, tan formula. Problem number 3. If tan x equal to 1 by 2, tan y equal to 1 by 3, show that x plus y equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. Show that x plus y is pi by 4. Let me write the formula for tan x plus y first. Formula number 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one I think. Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. Small change, see tan x minus tan y here, 1 plus. There it is, plus in the numerator, minus in the denominator. Now, tan x given, you write 1 by 2. Tan y 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Or it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 6. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. Or you can still simplify it taking LCM. Numerator 6. Cross multiplication 3 plus 2. Denominator also 6 LCM. Cross multiplication 6 minus 1. 5 by 6 numerator, 5 by 6 denominator. 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Or it is 1. What is the meaning? Tan x plus y is 1 means what? Implies x plus y is 45 degree or pi by 4 radian. Pi by 4, 45 degree, because tan of that one is 1 means angle should be equal to 45 degree. Problem number 4th. If tan x equal to 5, tan y equal to 3, find tan of x minus y. Tan x equal to 5, tan y equal to 3, find tan x minus y. Totally how to use the formula, that's all. Here, tan x minus y, write the formula first. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Fill up the values. Tan x 5 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 5 into 3. 2 by 1 plus 15. 5 into 3, 15. 2 by 16. Answer is 1 by 8. Answer is 1 by 8. Cancelling 2 both from numerator and denominator. Work out all these problems once again yourself without seeing the notebook. Yes. Problem number 5. Show that tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. Answer is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Same formula, tan x plus y formula here, tan x minus y formula denominator. Left hand side equal to tan pi by 4 plus x, tan pi by 4 minus x equal to, apply the formula, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y over, numerator formula over, denominator tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. In the place of x you have to write pi by 4. In the place of y you have to write tan x. Simplify it because you know the value of tan pi by 4. Tan 45 always 1. Tan pi by 4, left hand side not necessary to write. Tan pi by 4 1. Tan x divided by 1 minus again 1 into tan x divided by 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Wherever pi by 4 we have, tan pi by 4 is 1. So write that. Now this goes to the numerator. 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x. This goes to the denominator. 1 minus tan x whole square. Or you can write this one as 1 plus tan x numerator, 1 minus tan x denominator, but whole square. This is right hand side. Observe the solution carefully. Only compound angles must be used. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y, tan x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x minus y, tan x minus y. So far you have not discussed about the next formula. See, cot x plus y. So far we have not used it anywhere. Only sin, cos, tan. Okay, problem number 6. Problem number 6. Show that tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. See, very peculiar problem. Tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is exactly equal to product of the same. Here actually minus of, here product. How to prove this? We know that tan 3x equal to tan 2x plus x, correct no? 2x plus x, 3x. Apply tan x plus y formula. Tan x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Whenever you use the formula, you write on the right hand side. So here actually x is 2x, y is x. Note it carefully. 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Now carefully let me bring this denominator to the left hand side. So already we have tan 3x into full denominator tan 2x into tan x. On the right hand side only numerator. Bring the denominator to the left hand side. Multiply it. Tan 3x into 1, tan 3x. Tan 3x into this, tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. Equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Removing the bracket, that's all. Now tan 3x write as it is. Bring this tan 2x to the other side, minus tan 2x. This one also, minus tan x. Bring this entire minus to the right hand side, becomes a plus. Tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. over. Again, note that problem is very important. I can give as a homework, just homework for you to show that tan 11x minus tan 11x minus tan 6x minus tan 5x equal to tan 11x tan 6x tan 5x. Here 3x equal to 2x plus x. Here 11x equal to 6x plus 5x. Same method, no doubt. Problem number 7. Seventh one. Show that tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree plus tan 25 degree into tan 20 degree. Right hand side is 1. Again a little peculiar problem. Actually 25 or 20 degree are not standard angle, you don't know the value. But the answer should be 1. Observe the problem carefully. Let me take one more round here. We know that, always write this. Even though you are not knowing, write that sentence. We know that. We know that tan 45 degree equal to how much? 1. Tan 45 always 1. Now this 45, let me write like this. Tan of these two angles, see, 25 plus 20. Tan 45 itself is written x and y. So tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Even though I know the formula, I am writing always this formula. Tan y 1 minus tan x tan y. Now tan 45 is 1. This one is taken to the left hand side. 1 minus tan 25 tan 20 equal to tan 25 plus tan 20. Finally, 1 equal to this one, bring this to the other side. Tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree plus this quantity. 25 tan 20. 1 is on the right hand side. Anyway, let me write once again. That's all. Tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree plus tan 25 into tan 20, 1. Answer is 1. Work out all the problems once again, please. Without seeing the notebook, just try to work out yourself. Problem number 8. If tan A equal to 2 by 3, tan A equal to 2 by 3. Tan A plus B equal to 29 by 11. Find tan B. Find tan B. Actually, instead of x and y, they have given a and b. That's all. Don't confuse with this one. Tan x plus y given, tan x given, find tan y. That's all. Tan A plus B. Write the formula. Actually, it is the formula tan x plus y. Just think and write the same formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B is given 29 by 11. Tan A is also given 2 by 3 plus tan B not given, right as it is, by 1 minus tan A tan B. Cross multiplication. 29 into denominator, 11 into this one. Cross multiplication. See like this. 29 into 1 minus 2 by 3 tan B. 11 into 2 by 3 plus tan B. Remove the bracket and simplify. 29 minus 58, 29 into 2, 58 by 3 tan B equal to 22 by 3, 11 into 2 by 3, 11 tan B. Or 22, let me bring here. 29 minus 22 by 3 equal to 11 tan B plus 58 by 3 tan B. That means collecting a tan B together, numbers together, that's all. Simplify. LCM, cross multiplication. 87, I think, minus 22 equal to, here also LCM 3, cross multiplication, 33 tan B plus 58 tan B. Cancelling LCM from both sides, no problem. 87 minus 22 is 87 minus 22 is 5, 8 minus 2, 6, equal to, right hand side, 11, 1, 6, 3, 9, tan B. Finally, tan B is obtained. See this. Tan B is therefore equal to 65 by 91. Can you divide both numerator and denominator by 13? Huh? Yes, mostly it is possible. 5 by 7. 5 by 7, yes. So tan B equal to 5 by 7. Go through the solution carefully. Problem number 9. Ninth one. Show that sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Very simple problem. Just you have to apply two formula, that's all. Left hand side equal to sin x plus y by sin x minus y. Write the formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x minus y formula. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Next step, divide both numerator and denominator by. Divide both numerator and denominator by. You must get tan x, no? So, cos x cos y over. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. You get the answer will be sin x plus y by sin x minus y left hand side. Right hand side see sin x cos y by cos x cos y. Cos x sin y by cos x cos y. Sin x cos y by cos x cos y. Minus cos x sin y by cos x cos y. Next write answer only. Equal to sin x cos y, cos x cos y. Cos y cancels, you get tan x. Plus here cos x cancels, sin y by cos y, tan y. Cos y cancels tan x. Cos x cancels tan y over. Problem number last, mostly it will be the homework for you. Show that sin x plus y into sin x minus y equal to sin square x minus sin square y. Sin x plus y equal into sin x minus y equal to sin square x minus sin square y. Try to work out yourself. Only you have to apply the formula. Sin x plus y formula, sin x plus y, then you have to multiply. Answer should be in this one. Sin square x minus sin square y. Yes. Okay, let us see in the next session.